Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to start GMC Terrain with key, full guide. Place the key in the ignition and turn to accessory to prime electrical systems before starting. Confirm the dash lights are on and the gear is in park or neutral. If the steering wheel feels locked, hold the key and gently wiggle the wheel while turning. Keep your foot on the brake when you crank and listen for the engine engagement. Most GMC Terrains accept either a traditional metal key or a keyed fob insert. Know which yours uses before troubleshooting. If a fob is involved, replace a weak battery to prevent intermittent starting failures. Inspect the metal key for bends or grime that can jam the ignition cylinder. Keep a spare key accessible and test, starting in a quiet, flat area to isolate starter or fuel issues without distraction. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth. It's an easy read with clear steps for better financial decisions and less stress. I find it pairs nicely with practical skills like car ownership and budgeting. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the Terrain won't start, begin with battery checks because most failures come from low voltage or poor terminal contacts. A single click usually means the battery can't supply starter current, while rapid clicks can hint at a failing starter. If the security or theft indicator flashes, use the mechanical key to lock and unlock the driver door to reset the system. When in doubt, consult a certified mechanic for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.